Well, hello Internet, and welcome to the first video in my open source photography workflow series. In this series, I will walk you through the free and open source tools I use for photography. This first video will guide you on how to download and install Manjaro Linux on your computer. So let's begin. Open Google in your preferred browser and search for Manjaro. It will probably be the first item in your search results. Open the Manjaro website, navigate to Downloads and select Current Releases. Manjaro comes in 3 different flavors or editions. We have XFCE, which is their flagship edition. There's also Manjaro KD edition, as well as the Gnome edition. I like the look and feel of the KD edition, so this is the one that I'll be downloading. So go ahead and click on the download link. Your download should start in a few seconds. Now the download will take some time depending on your internet connection speeds. I'm just going to pause this video and resume once my download is complete. I recommend that you create a bootable USB drive from which you will install Manjaro Linux on your computer. For instructions on how to do this, please take a look at the description below. Now go ahead and select the Boot Manjaro option. You will probably see a black screen with lots of text that will scroll through. This will take some time depending on the speed of your machine, but it's nothing to worry about. It takes some time. Once complete, you'll be presented with the Manjaro desktop. You can go ahead and close the welcome screen because we won't need it right now. In the top left, you'll have the install Manjaro icon. Go ahead and open this so that we can begin our installation. You'll be presented with the Manjaro welcome screen where we can start our installation from. Go ahead and select your preferred language. In my case, I am going to choose English UK. Once selected, click Next. I'm going to set my time zone. I'm currently in Nairobi, so I'm going to pick Africa, and then my city is going to be Nairobi. Once this is complete, I will click Next. On this screen is where I'm going to choose my preferred keyboard layout. I prefer English US, and that's the one I'm going to take. Now on the next screen is where we will set up our partitions. I normally prefer to do this manually, and I recommend that you do the same. So the first thing you're going to do is select manual partitioning. Once you've done this, go ahead and click Next. On this screen is where now you will set up your partitions manually. So go ahead and click the button that reads Create Partition Table. On the pop-up that comes, make sure you select Master Boot Record or MBR and click OK. Like I said, I will be creating 3 different partitions: a home partition, a swap partition, and a root partition. I will start by creating my root partition of about 40 GB. This partition is going to contain my system files. Once this is complete, now I will create my swap partition. I'm going to make my swap partition about 4 GB. And finally, with my remaining space on my hard drive, I will create my home partition. This is where I expect to save my documents, pictures, and files. I will use the entire space, so I'm not going to change the value that appears there. Once I'm happy with my partitioning, I will proceed to click Next. From here, I can enter my account details. Once you're done entering your details, go ahead and click Next, and you can review all the changes that you'll be making to your system. Once you're satisfied, click Next. You will be asked to confirm that you're ready to start the installation. Go ahead and click to confirm. The installation will now begin, and you can sit and enjoy the slideshow that will outline for you the features of Manjaro, or if you'd rather, you could go get a cup of coffee, as this will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. Once installation is complete, you will need to restart your computer. found this video helpful and enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe for more future videos.